Hello everyone, recently, D Robotics released its new generation, RDK S100 development board. This is the first robot development kit to achieve integrated computing and control. It with 80 TOPS of computing power, performance close to NVIDIA Jetson Orin series, cerebral collaborative architecture, integrating 3 core modules CPU, BPU, and MCU, supports a complete closed-loop process, from perception to decision-making to control. RDK S100 board CPU is a 6-core Cortex A78AE, providing up to 100 SDMIPS computing power. BPU is based on the Nash architecture, providing up to 80 TOPS computing power, optimized for AI inference. The MCU responsible for real-time control tasks is a 6-core ARM Cortex or 5-2+, ensuring stable system response. RDK S100 not only comes with abundant interface resources, but also supports flexible memory scheduling, allowing for resource allocation based on actual application scenarios. For AI algorithm inference tasks such as image recognition and visual processing, more memory can be allocated to the BPU first. For traditional computing tasks, more memory can also be allocated to the CPU, improving overall efficiency. D Robotics provides a complete toolchain, includes official hardware acceleration support for mainstream AI models and ROS to feature packs, 200+ open-source algorithms and application cases, and complete model tuning and deployment solution. Yahboom has further expanded its development resources, provide relevant development materials for offline large language models and visual multimodal large models. It has been successfully adapted to major language models such as DeepSeek and Google. Continuous updates ensure compatibility and performance optimization, helping developers efficiently deploy various AI applications.